Welcome to Hasta Creations. In this video I'll show you how to make pearl dangling earrings. For this we need pearl. This is a colored pearl. It is pink in color. It is of 4 mm in diameter. These are white pearls of the same size as this one, 4 mm. This is 3 mm pearl in white. These two are in white, this is in pink. And these are again pearl, but these are very small. These are called seed beads. They are 2 mm. And we also need 2 earring hooks with a ring attached to it like this. And we need thin monofilament line cord. The number is M144. As you can see, it is very thin and very strong. It doesn't break. So we also need cutters or clippers, and we need pliers. We also need a thin needle. So I have put this needle. I have put this cord into this needle, and let me make knots at the end. Like 3 or 4 knots. Okay, I'm going to clip the extra part. So I'm going to start making it. So let me put this aside. So first, okay, so I'm going to take 3 of these white pearl beads. These are all round in shape. These are all flat. That's why they are called as seed beads. Very small. So I have taken 3 of these white beads, and 1 small one. So we put this aside to show you properly. Yeah, so I had taken 3 4 mm, 1 3 mm. So I'm going to go back to the first one and run the cord through all the beads coming out to make it tight. So while beading, it's better to pull a little bit so that it is tighter. So I have come to the side bead. The smaller one is at the top. So there, so 1 is already there. So I had to put 3 more to make the design complete. So each design is made of 4 beads. So I had to take 2 of bigger pearls, white pearl beads, 1 smaller one. So I had to go back to this bead on the other side. Okay, it's hard to. Okay. As you can see, the second design. So I will run through again to make it a little tighter. Is over. So like this I had to make 6 all around. So 2 I have made, then I have to take a smaller one. Then 2 bigger beads. So I have made 3. So the 4th one Again I have to take so I have made 4. The 5th one I'll make, and then I'm going to close it like this. So I'm going to close this like this. So to close, I have 2 beads already here, so I need to get one big bead and come out and have one small bead. So I'll come out of this, I'll go through this one and one small bead. You can see. So I have to repeat the same on this side. Like I will start with this bead, right? So I have to take one big bead, one small bead, then one big bead, and complete like this on this side too. So I have made just like this on the other side too. So I come out of this bead. So I have to run through all the 6 beads here like this. Yeah, so you can see they are all sitting together. So I'll go to the other side now. So I have come to this side. So again I'm going to run through all the smaller beads. Yeah, you can run through 2 times through all these beads so that they are tighter. So I'll go to the middle part now. Yeah, so the middle line of beads, I'll go one by one. So I have gone through one. Now I have to add one smaller bead. Like this. I have come out and go to the next one with the smaller bead. So it fills the gap like this. So next, one more small bead. And the next bead in the center. Then one more small bead. Basically I have to fill the gap, that's all, with beads. So here one more small bead. So go through this. The next one. Now one more we need and it is complete. So I filled the gap. I'll run through 1 or 2 beads to make them tighter. Yeah, sometimes it's hard to. Okay, here it's come. So I'll come out of this one of the beads, come out going to end it here, and I will show for the bottom. So 1 knot, 2 knots. So I'm going to clip this. This is how the ball looks. Yeah, now I will show you how to put these earring hooks and make this earring little colorful. So for this we need only seed beads and the pink round pearls. So I'll take one pink pearl and go through the center part like this, just put the needle there. So on the other side I will take one more pink pearl and one seed bead. Okay, and I have to leave this seed bead and go through the pearl again and through the middle part, come out through the other pearl. Like this. Okay. Now I need to put the hook, so we need a loop. So what I will do is put 8 of these seed beads and also that hook, or the ring part of the hook. 2, 3, 8. So I have taken 8 seed beads, you can see, and I will also put this hook or the ring part rather. Put both. So what I will do, I will go through the pearl. Yeah, there is a knot, so it's not easy to put. You can pull a little bit. Okay. Now I have to go through the other pearl on the opposite side again. Both of them. You can see, so like this. Then leave the seed bead and go back again through the pearl and come out through the other pearl. Yeah, it's kind of tricky, but you can do it. Come out first, then go through pearl after, like this. If it is hard to pull this, you can use a plier. To pull a little bit so that everything sits tight. Okay, now what you have to do is go through the seed beads one by one in sequence again, and the ring of earring hooks all the seed beads and pull a little bit so that it's tighter. And now you can see the earrings. Now we have to end end this cord. So what I do is take the cord, go around above the pink bulb, and I have to end it here. So I do like this, hold with the finger and put knots. I'm telling knots because to make it tighter you have to put at least 2 knots. So one I have put. So let me do it one more time. So I hold like this. Put the needle with the cord through the loop, then pull it. Yeah. So I'm going to clip the extra, cord. So this is how the earring looks. So this is the one I showed you how to make it. So I have made one more like this, and together they are earrings. This is how they look. Thanks for watching.